because this is the most rapidly, from what I understand, a growing cohort in the criminal justice system from the offender side, which is women and girls. This is an exploding population now, and we're seeing it from the law enforcement angle. Lisa Sprague, what do you see?
Well, I see more and more women becoming involved in crime. I think we probably have more women in jail now than we have had in the past. I don't know what the explanation is. I don't know if there's more criminal opportunity for women, if the economy is so that women now feel that they have to become involved to support for their own self or their own family. I don't know what the reason is, but I do know that I have seen in my papers that I read and research that I've done that women are becoming more of an issue for the criminal justice system in and of itself.
Yeah, and how do we deal with that? Barbara Hobbs, in your practice?
Yeah, I can say I've seen a lot more young girls come into the system than I have, say, 10 years ago. I don't have an answer either. I have no clue. I mean, you sit there and you try to talk to them, and I have no clue. It's just the younger generation coming through. I don't know.
Kids these days, David.
I wonder if, this is completely speculation, but I wonder how much social media and the bullying and that sort of thing plays a role in that. That's something we have now that we didn't have before, and it's a way for people to deal in aggression and aggressive behaviors kind of behind a cloak of somewhat anonymity. I mean, it's not a face-to-face thing, but it's something that's being done online. Still causes the harm. Obviously, we've seen that. So many reports on suicides and those sorts of things. But I just wonder if that disconnection makes people more aggressive because they're not seeing the immediate effect of it, and then that results in maybe confrontations at schools or fights or things that otherwise would not have happened. But I don't know.
Yeah, and seeing it every day, of course, from the bench, Judge Ashenafi, Richardson. Well, what's the percentage of or the break between male and female defendants right now in your court?